Here at WoodMax, we understand the passion that goes into projects. And we would hate if something as small as a tiny little screw would be damaging or marring your labor of love, your creation. Knowing that Robertson has the ability to produce screws within a tight tolerance, we as WoodMax chose them to produce our product line with the WoodMax specifications. And this relationship has worked out quite well for both parties. Our relationship with Robertson has allowed us to utilize their technology to produce the ultimate wood screw. WoodMax was established in 2013, and we are building relationships with distributors and retailers across the country. We also have a few users and growing interest in the United States. The WoodMax product line was developed after hearing the frustrations in the industry, people expressing the challenges they were experiencing. In order to be competitive, the screw industry had been cheapening out in their quality. This resulted in problems such as screws dropping off the bit, screws turning off, snapping. We had the driver socket burring, wood splitting, etc. WoodMax wanted to develop a good screw, and according to customer feedback, we have successfully removed those problems. So our goal is for the WoodMax user to wear a smile.
I've been into woodworking a good part of my life, and I understand the issues and problems that WoodMax is trying to fix, and I think we have fixed them, but it just goes to show you that when you have a good quality screw and tools that you're working with, your project goes together so much quicker. I feel very satisfied when the WoodMax screw leaves our warehouse that they have got a top quality screw that will get the job done with little effort. The zinc coating allows for a smoother finish, which allows the screw to penetrate easier and faster, therefore not heating up and losing strength. The Aster gives you a better drilling advantage of no more pre-drilling and prevents splitting of wood and panel products, saving you time and money.
The goal of our product is to take your project from A to Z and reducing frustration, removing potential damage.